Hey Mike, I've been thinking about improving my English vocabulary lately. Do you have any favorite resources you find helpful? Absolutely, John. I've found a few things really effective. First off, reading is key. I try to read a variety of materials, from books and articles to even online forums. It exposes me to different words and contexts. Yeah, reading is something I enjoy too. Any specific books or genres you recommend? Well, I started with novels because they offer a rich vocabulary. Classics are great, but I mix in contemporary fiction too. Helps me stay current with language trends. Good point. I've heard about audiobooks too. Do you think they're helpful? Definitely. Audiobooks are fantastic for pronunciation and hearing new words in context. Sometimes, the way words are spoken can give you a better understanding than just reading them. True. What about word apps or games? Are those worth the time? I've dabbled in some word games and apps, and they're surprisingly effective. They make learning more interactive and enjoyable. Plus, they often include daily challenges, which is a fun way to stay consistent. I've been using flashcards for a while. Do you think they're still relevant? Flashcards are classic for a reason. They're perfect for quick reviews and memorization. You can create your own or use existing sets online. I find them handy when I want to reinforce specific words. Nice. By the way, do you have a favorite vocabulary building website or online platform? Yeah, I use vocabulary.com quite a bit. It tailors exercises based on your proficiency level and keeps track of your progress. Plus, they have an extensive database of words. I'll check that out. Lastly, any general tips for expanding vocabulary? Be curious and open-minded. Don't shy away from challenging texts. If you come across a word you don't know, look it up immediately. And most importantly, use the words you learn in your daily conversations. Practice makes perfect. Thanks, Mike. These tips are gold. I'm excited to level up my vocabulary game.